Subscribe now. The Huawei P10 is a strong contender in a sea of 2017 flagships, but we're already focused on the 2018 Huawei flagship, unofficially dubbed the Huawei P11. While it's still a long way away from release, below you'll find some of the most notable rumors about the phone so far. There is very little online about the design of the Huawei P11, but we can take a look at sister company Honor's 2017 flagship, the Honor 9, for inspiration. The 2016 Honor 8 had a very similar design and feature set to 2017's Huawei P10, including the dual camera setup on the rear. With that being said, the Honor 9 is the first Honor phone to do an Apple and remove the 3.5mm headphone jack from the smartphone, suggesting that it could also be removed from next year's Huawei P11. It's a move that Apple has faced much criticism for, and is something that many Android manufacturers have avoided thus far. In a concept video published in August, the Huawei P11 is shown to have a titanium body, a full-screen display and an under-glass fingerprint scanner. However, just like Apple's iPhone X, the upcoming Huawei P11 is thought to maximize screen space on its 6.01 in display by replicating Apple's notch. We expect it will feature the 10nm Kirin 970, which is the chip that will feature in the Mate 10 and is said to deliver 25 times better CPU performance and 50 times greater energy efficiency. We're assuming that the P11 will get it, too. The Kirin 970 is an octa-core chip, 4x2, 4GHz Cortex-A73 and 4x1, 8GHz Cortex-A53 cores, with a 12-core GPU all built on a 10nm process like the Snapdragon 835 co-made with Samsung. When is Huawei P11 release date? As was the case with the Huawei P10 earlier this year, we imagine that the Huawei P11 will be released in early 2018 with a possible Mobile World Congress reveal. MWC 2018 is due to begin on Monday, February 26, 2018, and judging by 2017's P10 announcement, we imagine that Huawei P11 will be revealed the day before the show begins, on Sunday, February 25, 2018. That would put it directly up against the Galaxy S9, which could also launch the same day.